What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Blooks video. Today we're going to be doing a Blizzard pack opening. We have 6,062 tokens on this account and 500 tokens on another account. So if I get the Santa Claus on my 500 token account, I don't have to do that. We'll just count as my episode 10. And I'll do the Dino pack after. But the Blizzard pack is finally out. Not finally. It's only the 3rd of December, so it's pretty happy. There's 2 new CHROMAS, the Holiday Elf and the Cozy Baby Penguin. There's about like a 9... We should definitely get a Santa. It's about like a 100% chance. But let's just get right into it. Hot chocolate, stocking, holiday gift, I like that one, snow globe, hot chocolate, holiday wreath, that's a nice one, gingerbread house, and gingerbread man. I'm pretty sure we have everything except the epic, so let's just get right into it. We just got the epic snowman. Let's go, guys. Ooh, and we just got a duplicate snowman. Let's go. Look what I get right now. Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. We just got the Santa Claus bloop, whatever you want to call it. We just finished the pack. But wow, guys, let's go, guys. Wow, oh my gosh. Let's go. I forgot to screenshot it, but that's too bad. Merry Christmas. Even though it's December 3rd. Okay, guys, we are down to the last couple of packs. We are going to do some reselling, so let's see what we have for resale. I'm assuming at least maybe like 10 snowmans or something. Okay, so what we got was 9. What is wrong with me? Oh, guys, we just got our second Santa Claus of the day. Let's go. Let's screenshot that one. There we go. Let's go, guys. Second Santa Claus of the day. It's getting pretty laggy. I need help. Last pack. Oh! Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys, but that was our last pack of that. And now we have 3 Santa Clauses. We are going to be keeping all Santa Clauses that we get. Give me a chroma, bro. Oh my gosh. It is just Santa Claus City. I do have a question. How can there be 4 Santa Clauses? That'd be pretty weird. I don't know why there's 4 Santa Clauses. I thought there's just supposed to be 1. So that's going to be it for this opening. we can do one more opening, just space pack or something. What's the chrome for today? Yellow astronaut. Okay. Yeah. But, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to the other account with 500 tokens. All right. So we are on the. Sorry about that. We are on the account with 544. This is our alt account series that we're doing.